Just got the block and crank back from the machine shop. Everything looks good. I'll show you some video of that here in just a second. But the crank, they had to take 10 thousandths under, so I'll have to get the right bearings for that. And then I need to get the rings ordered, and of course all the gaskets ordered. So that won't happen before this weekend, so it'll have to be the next episode. But they're here, so that's exciting. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.